Hey guys, we're out in the garage today. It's Thanksgiving week, and along with that, I love cooking outdoors. Right now I'm gonna show you how to brine a turkey, but we're gonna be smoking a turkey and frying, both of which take place outdoors. So grab these ingredients and let's get brining. Okay guys, when you buy a turkey in the store, normally it's got some sort of solution. You'll see it on the bag, like 8%, 10%, whatever it is. That is kind of a brine in itself, but I'm gonna do a little experiment. We're gonna brine one turkey. We're gonna take one straight out of the bag like this, and then we're gonna smoke both of them and see what the flavor difference is. So, speaking of the brine, right here I've got 1 gallon of hot water. I just brought this to a simmer, brought it out here. To that, I'm gonna add a cup of kosher salt. I'm just gonna whisk this together until it dissolves. To that I'll add, I've got some allspice, some cloves, bay leaves we'll throw in here, 3 cinnamon sticks. And these are kind of the sweet spices you would think of. Pickling spice is also an easy way to hit all these in one. And really you don't have to do any of them. We're just going for the salt. But if you can add some flavors that'll be carried into the turkey with the solution, then that's always a good thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this to the side. You can see that the salt is dissolved. Into that, I love garlic. I've always got some cloves in my fridge. So I've smashed these, and that just releases the oils. These guys are ready to go in. Get those in there. And then a lemon. Cut that in half, squeeze the juice in there. Drop it. And then I have thyme and rosemary right here. We'll just get these in there. Handful of each, no real rhyme or reason. For this, you could use what, like a 5-gallon bucket, just something that's gonna hold the turkey. Dump it all in. Then I've got ice. Maybe like half a bag, 5 pounds or so. And then we'll grab the turkey right over here. And this is about a 15 pound turkey. I'm gonna put it in breast side down. Just like that. Push it in. Okay guys, in the final step, we'll just pour some cold water over the top just to cover the turkey. All right guys, we'll pop the lid on here. Just store it in the garage, cool part of your garage overnight. And this will be ready to roast or smoke or fry tomorrow. Is brining worth it? I don't really know. You know, I've never done a test like I'm about to do. So we're gonna smoke 1 brine turkey, 1 non-brine turkey, and see if we can tell a difference. So stick around tomorrow and we'll let you know what we decide.